ladies and gentlemen. It's Saturday the 13th of July and I think it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Just a quick catch up on what's occurring in my little English cottage garden. I had my friend round and paid him a few pounds and he has cut this hedge. He's done a really good job of it with the hand shears. Really pleased. I got down and weeded all down at the bottom there. And just a quick look, everything's starting to look amazing. We come down here, we have to the right here, absolutely gorgeous ballerina type fuchsias, absolutely amazing. And then got the hollyhocks here. These are self-seeded. See the size there compared to my hand, so probably 4.5 inches across each flower. Come down here, my perennial geraniums, which are great. Here's all the hedge clippings, which I just normally leave just to keep the weeds, suppress the weeds. And then we have here my lilies, which smell absolutely divine once they're open. The giant lizards, some white phlox, which wow, smells absolutely divine. Here we have the first of the day lilies. I've had to pick some of the flower buds off because they get these gnats inside, like these little maggots, which are terrible. But yeah, as you can see, absolutely amazing. A little hosta there. But yeah, these are being sprayed. That's old damage from lily beetle. If you don't spray, I found that you just can't do it by hand. You just end up absolutely hammering you and just eating them to death. But yeah, another large phlox there. Come around here, a gorgeous pink hollyhock. And we come down here, beautiful phlox there. And then we have, this is a self-seeded lupin. So I don't know what colour the flower is going to be, if any, but that should be great. But as you can see, it's been absolutely hammered by the slugging snails. And then we have here Lucifer, Crocosmia, which I absolutely love. Look at the colour of those, absolutely amazing. Can't wait till this one opens. This is like a pink cream, sort of like an apricot. That is going to be absolutely amazing. And then we come around here. This is another daylily, this one here, but it needs moving because it's in the shade of the phlox there. So I will dig that up probably next spring and move it. Then we come round here. Another giant lily there, centered, great. Hosta and geraniums. And then up here we have these Japanese anemones that I got off one of the neighbours. A couple of plants. The peonies have just finished here, you can see, setting seed. And then here, one of these giant lilies just getting ready to open. Come a little bit further down, hostas. This is one of my dwarf delphiniums grown from seed. Some more phlox, more hostas. And then we have, absolutely gorgeous, I mean, that is a baby pink, divine. So hollyhocks there. Some nice ivy growing up the tree, that's seeded with the bird poo. Another daylily there. We come down here, we have geraniums, some more beautiful hollyhocks, really vibrant pink. Just look at the size of the flower there, that's got to be 5 inches across, that one, absolutely amazing. So yep, some more phlox. This is another peony that's gone over, just setting seed. Then we have some nice phlox here. We come down here, so this is another self-seeded hollyhock, which is great. And then over here we have a lupin, just getting ready for the seeds to start drying out. Once it turn black, that's the time to harvest them. And beautiful Lucifer there. Look at the beautiful sunflowers there. So just get past these without damaging them, hopefully. And then look at that Absolutely amazing. It's got to be like 8 inches across, that one. Down here, this is the hanging baskets. These were plug plants from Thompson & Morgan this spring, and they're absolutely stunning. Cannot recommend these enough. That one there. Down here, we have 10-week stocks. Some begonias and a few others. Here we have, this is my cosmos that needs planting out. But this is midnight with the yellow, which I absolutely love. We come down here, these are the beautiful baskets at the back, the white and the pink, with the midnight and the yellow down there. And then we come to my amazing sunflowers. This is the tallest one. It's got to be 12, 13, 14 inches across, that one. Absolutely amazing. Just been and purchased those. Those are 8-foot bamboo canes because it really needs them. Then if we get down here, we have a mixture of cosmos, sunflowers, beautiful begonias at the bottom because they do like a bit of shade. So they should be absolutely stunning. And then if you come around here, we have the rest of the petunias. This is a beautiful flower from a agapanthus that I grew from seed. Highborn, I think it's called, hybrid. This is an amazing flower. A lot of people don't realise that flowers on these hostas can look absolutely amazing. I absolutely love these. Beautiful broad leaves on them with some amazing, like a purpley vibe to them. And then if you just have a look from here, you can see the lawn needs a cut, but apart from that, a quick whiz round to get some weeds out. Should look absolutely amazing. So yeah, I've got probably, I've got here seven sunflowers there. You can see some I've got several heads on. This one here, this one needs tying back in because that one is looking stunning. And then we have my cottage cream jasmine. This does smell divine, this. It's had a really big trim back, that's why it hasn't flowered that much this year. And in this we have a clematis growing through, which is great. And then we come up here, we have, you can just see, just filming here. We have here, these are my agapanthus that we grown from seed. They're just starting to flower, which is great. And then we have some here, some more agapanthus, along with beautiful lemon petunias. Some more agapanthus here. I don't know if that's going to flower this year. It might do, it might not. So yeah, that's a quick tour around my little English cottage garden. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for joining, buddy, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.